Hi guys and gals, all fellow traders, this is Larry Williams, and in this clip I'd like to explain to you my sentiment index. Years ago we discovered that when the majority of people in the market are buying, it's probably going to go down. The initial work was done out at Market Vein by Jim Sibbett. I've carried that on now to individual stocks and commodities. Let me show you an example. We're looking at Microsoft here. At this particular point in time, 90% of the public and advisors are saying buy Microsoft. Not a good time to buy. Down here, about 20% were saying you should buy. In other words, the majority were saying sell, and that set up a nice buying opportunity. You see, when we get too many people buying the market, it stalemates or it comes down like this until we get a buying opportunity when everybody is bearish on the market. And look at that, away the market goes to the upside. Just before the recent breakout, again, we saw people got very bearish on the market. As a trader, notice I'm using a weekly chart here. You can use this on daily. I prefer it on weekly as a setup. Also, it can be used a little bit intraday. We'll get to that in a moment. But clearly you can see in the case of Microsoft and stock after stock, when there's too many people too bullish, the market comes down. Here's one I love to show. This is GameStop. 100% of the advisors were bullish at this point. Is it any surprise it came down? Not to me. Now I've gone to a daily basis of the triple Qs. You can see how effective that is here. About 85% of the people are saying buy. Market comes down. 80-some% of people are saying buy here. The market comes down to a buy point and back and forth. If you're looking for something that will get you doing the opposite of what the public does, clearly this is a great index. And it can be used on an intraday basis. Let me show you. We're now looking at a 30-minute chart. You can see the sentiment gets very high up here and down it comes until we get bullish readings and back and forth. You want to look for a great intraday time to be a buyer. It's going to be when the sentiment index turns very negative on the market. That's when you want to look for your buy signals. Well, there it is. You can now put investor sentiment in your favor to help you select and find the best trades in the marketplace.